Here in this problem given, the largest watermelon ever grown had a mass of 118 kilogram. Suppose this watermelon were exhibited on a platform 5 meter above the ground. After the exhibition, the watermelon is allowed to slide along to the ground along a smooth ramp. How high above the ground is the watermelon at the moment? Its kinetic energy is 4.61 kilojoules. So first we will find out initial potential energy. Initial potential energy, that is mgh. Mass is 118 kilograms. G, acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square, and height is 5 meter. And we get 5782 joules energy. That